This video shows the difference between assisted mode and manual mode. On the top right of Zivid Studio there are two buttons, which gives the possibility to choose between assisted mode and manual mode. Starting from the assisted, let's choose a preset, in this case manufacturing small features, and now let's acknowledge what's in the scene. Okay, starting with the black hockey disc with shiny silver letters. Here we have a cylindrical transparent spray bottle with liquid inside. Right beside we have a small clear plastic vial with a flat surface. I added this duck in the corner just to have a more colorful scene. And the last part is this metallic wheel with small details. Let's take a look at the point cloud. With this preset, it is possible to see such small details. If we now change the presets to consumer goods quality and take a new capture, we can see that the small details are no longer visible. But here, we can see the surfaces of these two transparent objects. On each, we have proper data with this preset. But if we go back to the previous preset and take a new capture, we can see that all transparent surfaces are now collapsed. While in assisted mode, the settings are blocked, so they can't be modified. Changing to manual mode makes it possible to fine-tune each setting. If you choose the correct preset based on the scene or application, those settings should do the job in 90% of the cases. For the other 10% of the cases, customer success team is here to help you out, or you can use our knowledge base to learn how to manually tune the settings.